Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I have been making videos in a long time because I guess you could say I got kind of lazy. Tired basically. But in this video, well, in my last video, I told you how to make a text engine. Pretty efficient and cool. I recommend you check it out. The link will be in the description below. Um, but if you're not geared toward making a costume for every single letter, then you can just go with this method here, and you can do that. So let's get to that. Okay, so really you just start with this block. No, don't check run without screen refresh. Get text, and then number of text input, and write text, and then another one, and put wait between letters. Oh, by the way, this is not official. I did not make this myself. I will credit that person in the description below. Then you put go to 00. Well, this is just the sprite you want to go, so I wouldn't say this is very necessary. Then say letter. So these are for all sprites. My variable is not really necessary, so I just left that there. I didn't really need it. But then set say to 0, and then repeat length of text. Change letter by 1. Set say to join say letter of text. So this text. Then say, and then wait between letters seconds. So yeah, so for example, if I did 0.5 seconds, it would type the letters at 0.5 seconds. But I feel that's way too slow, so I do 0.05 seconds. Wait a minute, did I put 2? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, so this is perfect speed for me. So to go to the next one, you could do like wait until key space press, and then wait until not key space pressed, and then the next one. So you literally just do this and type in your second text, and that would do your second thing. So 1. There we go. And also I must have typed yeah, I did. And to close your text, you'll just put this say blank for 0. Yeah, just anything like 0.0000001 seconds or something, because it'll go so fast that the human eye doesn't notice it. So then it'll just disappear, and that'll end your text. And then you can just put stop the script or something, to make sure it really stopped. So I hope you liked this video. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And if this video was helpful for you, definitely share it. And I'll see you in the next one.